fish in the sea to miss one. Too many fish in the sea to miss one. Too many fish in the sea to miss one. Too many fish in the sea to miss one. Guess what? If you caught one, you can.
Hi guys!
Ay, welcome! Welcome to Joanne and
Kit Show
this is our third
video. And thank you guys for supporting our past two videos.
Yes, improving po kami.
Yeah!
32 views. 32 views and 4 subscribers.
Yeah.
Improving kaya yun.
I know, right? So today, we're gonna have a new vlog plus special guests.
Yes,
Yeah, two.
2 special guests.
Yeah. Which will be viewed later.
And Skype. Yun.
Okay. So today we're gonna talk about 10 ano yun?
10 overrated stuff.
Overrated stuffs. I know stuffs is not even a
Stuffs.
word.
Stuff.
Stuff. So, yun. Stuff. Tapos yun. Anyway, so we made a list. Actually, magulo siya.
Actually, kung makikita nyo, math pa siya.
Okay. So yun. Thank you, Didi, for the place kung saan kami ginawa namin yun.
Yung Didi, hulaan nyo ko sa...
So anyway, so yun. Okay. So let's start na.
Okay.
Number 1.
Ano number 1? Jeje pose.
The Philippine Jeje pose.
Ewan ko kung overrated siya, pero gusto ko pa rin naggaganon ako eh.
Hindi na.
As in, cute,
Hindi.
guys.
As in, like, lahat natin ginagawa yan, diba?
Ay, di kabila.
As in, swear, like, guys, stop it na. Tama na yung ganyan. As in,
Girl, ang cute kaya!
Hindi kayo. Oh, sige, try natin. Tignan natin kung
Oh,
cute.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. Okay, fine.
Cute. Guys, ang magaling niya, cute, diba? Number 2.
Okay, ano may number 2?
Hindi naman kita dyan.
Ano yung number 2?
Make.
Okay.
Girl, guys, loading ba kami?
Okay, number 2 is taking a picture of yourself in the mirror. Oh my God. Okay, I admit I did that before, pero na hindi na. Kasi,
Bakit?
ewan ko, I don't know. Pero pag mag-OOTD, why not? Diba? Pero para sa akin, overrated na siya.
Pero
kasi,
cute naman eh. Lahat.
wala na gumagamit ng
Hindi
ganito
ako
na
agree
ganito
sa mga
na.
sinulat mo. No?
Ayun. Oh my God. And
Number 3. Yung Call Me Maybe. Pero yung video ha. Pero di ba nakakaasar naman talaga, paulit-ulit na siya. Pero cute. O
hindi
yan.
na, cute na naman.
Cute naman eh. Kasi wala, ang cute kaya. O ano, locate. Ang cute guys, di ba? Pakinggan nyo. Wala, ang cute talaga eh. Ewan ko ba't overrated?
Kasi marami nang gumagamit
Oh, X-rated.
niyan. Oo, as in like, hello, magka-2013 na te.
Oh, ano naman?
Wala na, tama
Wala
na.
na lusog?
Oo. Kasi wag na kami, iba naman. Okay.
Tama natin.
Overrated na nga eh. Oh my God, oo nga.
Over.
Okay, number 4 is usually the guys do this, yeah, in the picture. Pero I don't know what you call it, pero we call it the vagina.
Ha? Ano yun?
The vaginal sign. It's like this or like that. Tapos may dila sila. Like, ganyan.
Girl, patingin.
You pervertic guys are so perv. Gets?
Girl! Saan mo nakuha?
Oh my God.
Lumabas ka lang. Pagkaganan mo, ganan ka na.
As in, swear, sobrang yung mga guys, like, gumaganyan sila, like, gumaganyan pa. Like, ew, please stop it. Like, sobrang nakakabastos in our part.
Buti sa part ko. Tanggap ko pa sa part ko. Sa part ko. Tanggap ko sa part ko.
Pero please guys, stop it na, okay? Hindi na siya maganda. Hindi na siya nakakatawa.
Nakakainis.
So, oo, nakakainis.
Number 5. Shit na pala. Korean sign.
AKA the Jeje pose. Pero hindi siya yung parang Jeje pose na Philippine Jeje pose. As in, parang wala
Girl,
na.
yung exage, yung ganyan.
Yung exage yung, oo, yung ganyan.
Tas,
Si iba ganyan pa.
Hindi pa.
Oo, yan.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, so, it's kind of overrated. That's why we put it on the list. Tama na, Joanna. Okay. Okay, number 6. Okay, number 6 is what we call, for the guys, is the gunshot. How do you do it? Like that? Like, I don't get it talaga. I mean, you know, like,
Minsan, uma-acting stolen pa.
oo, yung mga pakul, gagawin pa sila sa mga parties, diba? Like, yeah. Oo, yan. So, if you want, we can give you guys a gun. Wag na lang yung finger nyo. Kasi it's not, it's not nice.
Kung na hindi alam.
Oo. Actually, hindi nga alam.
Kung na nag-aaral. Di ba ganun?
Oo. Okay. Number 7.
It's you. It's not overrated for me.
Come on, say it na.
Magnum.
Magnum ice
Kasi
cream.
ang sarap kasi ng Magnum. May kakakain ko nga lang like no, isang gabi. Pero ang sarap talaga eh.
Ew.
Ew!
Yeah.
Iba yun?
Hindi.
Ice cream yun!
Di ba nakakainis yung mga like yung people, I'm sorry if natamaan kayo. If yung people na, makitweet sila, tapos like, yay, Magnum ice cream. Tapos may photo pa sila with the Magnum. Like, wala akong pake kung meron kang Magnum ice cream right now.
Meron akong dig.
Yeah, we can have
Pero
Häagen-Dazs.
sarap
Okay pa Häagen-Dazs kasi sa Magnum.
Yung presyo, okay ba?
Or Ben & Jerry's. Oh, alis ka na. Diba? Nag-Magnum ka.
Girl.
Number 8.
Yung hihingi ng gagawa ng event sa Facebook, sabihin, hey, number please. Tapos, yun nga may event. Tapos, yung pagkasulit ng number, yung toong word.
Talaga. As in,
0.
papahirapan talaga yung tao. Anong trip mo?
Palod. Isa-isa pa. Pag napalod ka ba, ate, 0, Z-E-R-O, 9, N-O-N-I-N.
Kasi iba pa, like, parang meron pa silang parang words na 0, 9, 2, ganyan. As in, swear, hindi ko mag-gets.
Paano yun?
Parang
Paano tinatype mo 09?
oo, yun.
Paano?
Sila ba?
Hindi, ikaw. Girl, joke kasi.
Okay, sorry. Number 9. Open parties.
Di pa ako nag-open party.
Yeah, me too. I
Pero
don't go to
overrated
open
daw
parties.
siya.
Pero overrated na.
Labo, no?
Alam mo,
Di
like,
nag-open
kasi
party,
some of
pero
my friends, some of my
overrated.
Shala friends, kasi...
Shala friends?
Yeah, Shala from, we can't tell. So, yun. So,
Ano,
like, they're
we're
telling
10?
me, we can't tell.
Oh, we can't
So, yung sasabihin nila sa akin, like, mga open parties, nagiging jeje place na kasi, alam mo yun.
Ganun ba?
Hindi. Like, pupunta na yung mga jeje people, tapos hindi na siya, like, fun, kasi...
Kasi jeje na.
Kasi wala na exclusivity eh.
Jeje na.
Yeah,
Girl,
jeje na.
baka ikaw nanonood ka, di mo naman jeje ka pala.
Oh my God. Last and not the least. Swag. Oh my God! What is swag ba? Can someone explain it to us?
Nilagyan natin dito, pero hindi natin, no?
Oo nga eh.
Siguro yung word, yung overrated na.
The swag, oo.
Swag, lahat na ng swag. Ako, swag? In what way? Lalo ba si Kit, swag? Ano
Hindi
swag?
kasi yung mga judgy people, diba? Like yung mga pa-iswag pa,
Mga
dugi-dugi, gano'n. Yeah, dugi-dugi. Ew,
Pero overrated na siya, seryoso. Nagiging judge.
But I have nothing against to those people who wear the Pardon My Swag shirt. I think it's kind of cool, but...
Uy,
Okay, I hope you guys like the 10 overrated stuff.
pero kapag di kayo naniniwala, actually, yung iba naman dyan yung naniniwala eh. Kasi
It's
yung
just our opinion, so...
Your.
Oh, yes.
Kasi yung Magnum eh.
Oh, sorry! Okay, go.